Hey everyone, this is Asim and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to check if your website is indexed in both Google and Bing. Let's get started. Let's say I want to check if this website is indexed in Google and Bing or not. So copy the URL, first go to Google and type site, then colon and then paste the URL. Press enter. By using this operator, I will see all the pages here that are indexed in Google. So you can see I have, let me turn on the MST counter so I can see how many pages are there. Let's refresh it. So we have 10 pages here, 10, and if I go here, so there are 39 pages of this website that are indexed in Google. Now let's copy this and go to Bing. Paste it here. Now you can see I have 193 results for this website in Bing. And all the pages are from this website. Let's go to the fourth one. So I have more pages. So this means that 193 pages from this website are indexed in Bing and 39 pages are indexed in Google. This means that more pages of this website are indexed in Bing as compared to Google. If Google is not indexing some of the pages but Bing is indexing them, it could point to a few issues. It could be that Google has not yet crawled those pages, or maybe something on the site is preventing Google from indexing certain pages. In this case, we need to drill down and find out the actual reason and solve the issue. So this is how you can check if your website is indexed in Google and Bing or not. And this way you can also check how many pages of your website are indexed in Google and how many pages are indexed on Bing. And if there is a difference between the number of pages on Bing and Google, then you can drill down and solve the issue. If you found this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.